All right, so we decided we're gonna have the landing end right about even with the concrete here. So your first step is right in front of this beam here, so you don't hit your head or anything. But the aluminum rails came this full length here, so we're gonna cut them down to be 3 steps worth. And we can use just a regular saw because aluminum is so soft that you don't have to get any special blade. All right, so let's do it. It is a little noisy.
Yeah, it's really noisy, so I'm gonna stand back and I'm gonna turn the. Maybe I should do it.